Now we will introduce you something new, which is called as the technology readiness level. The moment you so if you see what is the best thing happening right now, it is SpaceX or NASA or even ISRO. Now these people have a terminology for how to measure the progress of their projects through technology readiness level. So this is something which has come from the space towards the automotive field. Now the reason why we are using this is because this is common. This can be used. This framework can be used common for all kinds of research which is happening. So the first TRL level is basically about problem identification, customer discovery, and technology outline. There are some 3 or 4 questions which are asked in this TRL level, and there is a guide which is provided. Basically, there is a guideline which is provided, which each question there is a guide. There is a guidance which is provided, which tells you what should be the right answer, or it's not about question and answers. It is about guiding you to do the thing. When you say that, when you select one of those buttons, basically you are saying that you have done it. You have to understand that you don't need to fool yourself. Basically, we have seen that a lot of people have started submitting the ideas and started using the buttons without much thought given to what that means. The reason why we are telling you this is because for the next stage, this is just a phase one that we are just giving you guidance. But the next stage, where we are going to look into your lean canvas and we are going to look into your customer value proposition, and when we are going to look into your real simulations that you submit, we will be very sure that it becomes clear for us that you really in the race or you are left out. You have not done something. It becomes very clear to us. So the TRL levels are very important. The second TRL level is mainly on concept and application formulation. So basically, if you have a concept to have a solution for a problem, which is a customer problem, and you also have an application formulation done, this is the TRL level which will judge it. And basically, as you are ticking each of those dots, those lines, it's an MCQ. So you need to just tick. You are being giving some grade behind. So basically, you have to look into it that these things are very important. You are going through it, and because there is a guideline which is already provided, you don't need to look into what has to be done. It is already mentioned over there what has to be done. Third TRL level is about benchmarking, prototyping, and validation. As I said, validation is very important. When you show a simulation of an existing product with the new thing that you have done, you actually show the person what is the new innovation that you're bringing. So this is very important. So fourth one is about feeding back the customer feedback incorporation. Basically, this is something customer feedback incorporation and final product and service testing and results are important for you to actually get into the race of top 30. So these are the four TRLs that we expect you do yourself and come to us. We will guide you for the rest of the things. So actually TRL levels go up to TRL level 9, but we are expecting at least this thing to be available to us so that we take a informed decision on what on the status of the project.